Welcome to Toolkit.law, your all-in-one legal productivity platform. From the home page, click on Tools, then head to our App Store. Scroll to the Google accordion to unlock seamless integration with your Google ecosystem. Here, you can install the Toolkit.law app and Toolkit.law Assistant for Google Android, Google Docs, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Sheets, Slides, and more. Prefer working in Chrome or ChromeOS? We've got full setup guides right in the accordion, showing you exactly how to set Toolkit.law as your default homepage or startup page, so every time you launch Chrome, you start with the tools that matter. Are you already using Google Workspace? Add the Toolkit.law Assistant as a plugin to bring legal checklists, calculators, and tools right inside your workflow. From Docs to Gmail to Calendar, Toolkit.law is always one click away. Visit the App Store page and open the Google accordion to start streamlining your legal work, the Google way, with Toolkit.law.